So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a heading to your design here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva's opened up on your desktop, the first thing you have to do is to go to the left-hand side of your screen and press on the text icon. Once text is right here, it's pretty self-explanatory. Under default text styles where it says add a heading, simply just press on add a heading. Now, by default, for me at least, the heading feature is bolded, 92 font, and Canva Sans font. Now, you can of course change this however you want. So I'll just type in the word heading just like this. You can make it larger or smaller by dragging on the corner of the box. You can change the font as well to whatever font you're looking for. So if you wanted to change this to, I don't know, Horizon, just like that, you can change it to whatever you want. It is right in front of you, and it's very self-explanatory. So super duper simple, super straightforward, but that is how to add a heading to your design here on Canva using Canva Desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.